the same, man. And I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan. And I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side. Now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside. And I split it with the guys. We up on the other side. Niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July. Niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied.
One more time. And we back with another one, man. It's your host, Apollo, man. This is the Market Rundown, man. What episode we on today, man? Let me see, man. I think we on my Jordan number today, man. Welcome to episode 23. Let go, man. Jordan did it. Jordan did it. Man, how y'all doing this morning, man? I hope y'all doing good, feeling great. Cause life been good, life been great, man. You know what I'm saying, man? Let me start that out with my partner one more time, man. Hold on, man.
Look, Chris, now, nigga, life been great. On a flight right now, headed out the USA.
So mama, she can quit a job today. We gonna be straight, man. You know, I ain't gonna hold y'all up too much more longer, man. I'm just feeling good today, man. I hope y'all feeling good, looking good, man. And you know, we into the next month, man. We in September now, man. You know what I'm saying? I hope y'all enjoyed your Labor Day one time for that.
But I've been on my feet since Cinderella lost the gun.
Wrong sound. Hold on. Wait 1 minute. I got you. Yeah. How my mic sounding now, man? I heard like the last couple episodes, man. Y'all should have said something saying I sound a little light. Not light, but it was low. So I'm making sure I'm talking in them motherfucking day. So if it is too loud, say that or just say something now. So like, cause I thought I was kind of loud, but people say they be turning up the volume or whatnot. They got to turn it all the way up. So I'm making sure I turn the volume mic up a little bit more today, man. Make sure we good, loud, and clear, man. And with that being said, man, we got a lot to talk about today, man. You know, we're going to run down the top setups, man. We got, what else we got going on today, man? I said we got, man, we discussing Trump 1.3 billion crypto wealth into his family, man. That dude done made $1 billion out the crypto since he been in office, man. One time for that. Yo, win. We also talk about Michael Saylor debuting Bloomberg Billionaire. Let go. Hold on. Yo, huh? Yo, it's on. Hey, crypto market running out right now, man. It's some winners in the building now. They winning right now, man. So shout out to them one time, man. Shout out to all my crypto folks out there, man. And this is the market rundown where we run down the forex, the stock market, and the crypto, like, you know what I'm saying, for the market. It's like your sports center for the market, man. So I hope y'all ready to get into it. I ain't gonna hold y'all up too much today, man. I got some stuff I gotta do, but we finna get right into it, man. So man, go ahead, pull out your notes, your pen, your paper, or whatever you got going on that you do when you watching the show, man. Just tune in, man. We got a good one today, man. Let me go and share the screen and kick this off, man. You know I gotta go ahead and pop my ish, man. You know what I started off with, man. You know I gotta show my boy boss man D-Lo, man. You know what I'm saying, man? He gotta start it off right, man. It can't be the rundown without the intro, man. Let go. What?
Real motion together, stay in motion, gonna keep that motion, we gonna stay on top. $1 million nigga, $1 billion nigga. This is not no cap talk.
Mr. Not No Cow Talk, man. Let's get into it, man. But before we start this today, I got something I want to show y'all that's a little new, man. You know what I'm saying? I said I may start showing some little I ain't gonna even tell. I'm just gonna get into it first. Where my little tab at, man? Hold on, let me move it, man. Hold on. So I got something for y'all today, man. So it's It's actually, I'm gonna pencil it. All right, so it's a lyric from Ghana, just to show y'all like how you got to be tapped in on what's going on, and like we love to follow the celebrities and what they doing and whatnot. So I'm gonna start showing inspiration from what people we follow and how they invested in the stock market and whatnot and what they doing. So man, this is a song from Ghana called "Many Nights" off the new album. You feel me? So let's go ahead and kick that back one time. Let me bring it a little closer so you can hear it.
Dog grind, many nights. Cash for different countries, I take every kind. Build another brand shit, big as Calvin Klein. Better watch me cause y'all want a mastermind. I don't want giving no hope in it, that's a sign. Many nights, cool summer, thin as ice. Many nights, many cries, real ties. Never gonna count a million times.
All right, now pay attention. Now this is what I want y'all to catch on. Like listen to what he's saying in the second verse.
No, I told you once that on the time reveal. Any loan I ever got, I've been on time with my bill. All this cash come from my stock, gon' make me interest a year.
All right, so look, one thing he's showing, we gonna break down the lyric real quick, man. He said any loan. All right, before that, let's go back before that. Now I told you once that only time will reveal. Like he basically telling you, like I'm speaking this and I'm telling you and I believe in this and it gotta come out. You feel what I'm saying? Like I know he said, I know I told you once that only time will reveal. You know what I'm saying? He's saying out the intention that he letting you know that like I told you once and only time will reveal mean watch it manifest. Now watch what he say next.
Time reveal. Any loan I ever got, I've been on time with my bill.
So he letting you know any loan I ever got, I've been on time with my bill. Like, you know what I'm saying? That like he practicing good financial habits and financial literacy skills. Like any loan, any credit, what he got going on, he's saying I've been on time with my bill. So he letting you know that like he got the intention. He said, I told you once that only time will reveal. It's on the way. I'm gonna say it, speak it, leave it alone, let it go into the universe and come back out. You know what I'm saying? With God time. Then he told you, any loan I ever got, I've been on time with my bill. Letting you know that like he's studious to what he doing and taking it serious and then on time. He ain't making late payments and all this other stuff or whatnot. He paying the bills on time. I've been on time with my bill. That's a good habit when it comes to financial skills. All right.
I've been on time with my bill. All this cash come from my stock, gon' make me interest a year.
All this extra cash come from my stock gonna make me interest a year. That's him making money in his sleep, making another way to make money outside of rapping, letting you know that he thinking and he using and he investing his money. So I don't want y'all thinking that like, oh, everybody, all these people that got all these millions of money don't invest their money. They got millions and still investing their money. So that's why I wanted to point this out to you. Now watch what he say now.
Stock gon' make me interest a year. Bet you every single account I'm giving attention this year.
Bet you every single account I'm giving attention this year. Now he's showing that I've been investing, but now every single account I'm giving extra attention this year because I'm trying to make sure this money making more money for me. Now watch how he end that.
Patient and staying focused while I'm blazing this split.
Now what I tell you, staying focused while I'm blazing this split. So he letting you know he's staying focused. Like ain't nothing deterring the track because this is a long-term goal. It can be acquired short-term, but he letting you know like out of everything else going on, he's still investing and making the right things and got the right habits with his money. He real conscious of his money and he's strong mentally. He said, I told you once, time gonna reveal. So he letting you know. Then he said, I'm staying focused while I'm blazing this split. Then he finna get into the next bar. We're gonna tell you 60 racks out my account a couple days for a trip. You know what I'm saying? Like, so, you know, I just say that to say that, like, you know, just cause people, sometimes you gotta listen to the lyrics, man. You can't. Hold on. Cord, I got caught on the Michelle. Technical difficulty. Man, we finna get into it though. I ain't gonna count. All right, we ain't wasting no time. I just wanted y'all to point that out just to see that, like what I mean by like how these rappers, celebrities, influencers, politicians, they all investing and making money. Even the millionaire, billionaire, Elon Musk, all these people with big money, they investing. Long story short, I just wanted to show you that. All right, now let's get into the week, man. You know what I'm saying? One more time for the one time. Yeah. Add it up. Let go, man. All right, so Monday we ain't got no news, which is good. So we're gonna get a flow of a continuation going. All right, and Tuesday we got tentative Chinese yuan yen. Nah, what does that stand for? The yuan and the yen. Yeah, Chinese got yuan, Japanese got yen. Yeah, that's right. All right, so they got news Tuesday. S&B Chairman Spiegel speak. I don't know what he talking about. Due to participate in the fireside chat, future proof in central bank. So they just having a fireside conversation. He may say some stuff that may make the market move, but that's all we got Tuesday. Wednesday, Buddy speak again the next morning. So that's who? The chief? The front? Who's that? Yeah, Swiss National Bank. Yo. Swiss National Bank. They got some upcoming speeches and stuff going on, fireside chats and all that. So what we waiting on is the US dollar news, man. We got core PPI coming up at 7:30 a.m., which is core production price index. Watch. Yup, producer price index. So what that means is that it's a change in price of finished goods and services sold by producers, excluding food and energy. Actual greater than forecast is good for currency. It ain't greater. They forecasting it to be lower. So that means it's going to be bad. And I feel like this coming from the tariffs or whatnot, because these are producer price index, like the producer prices and whatnot. Like it's a food and energy prices make up about 40% of overall PPIC food and energy prices. Okay, so we know what that is. Hold that thought. All right, now Thursday we got the euro dollar and we got the USD dollar core CPI. Core CPI is consumer price index, and if you don't know and want to know that, you can click on the tab and it tell you right here at the bottom consumer price index. And this website is Forex Factory for my first people watching the show and don't know what's going on. While I run down my different sources of what we looking at, how we gonna get into the week of like the help influence of like what I'm gonna invest in or what trade I'm gonna take. So, and also just to keep a ongoing analysis of the market to know where we at and what we headed or whatnot. So yeah, we got core CPI Thursday 7:30. All right, and then unemployment claims 7:30. They forecasting price previous was 237. They saying it to be two actual less. So they feeling like unemployment claims they forecasting it should be a little less, so meaning that fewer people are filing for unemployment. Then Friday we got the GDP with the Great Britain. Then the prelim that don't really be too much. It be some, but like if you want to know what that means, you can click on it. It's just basically a level of composite index based on surveyed consumers, like the University of Michigan. Yeah, I think it's like a survey or research they conduct. Financial confidence is a leading indicator of consumer spending, which accounts for a majority of overall economic activity. Survey about a 420 consumers asked respondents to rate the relative level of current and future economic conditions or whatnot. So yeah, it's a survey that they do at the University of Michigan or whatnot. So but what I take from this, man, the first half of the week, we got a slow week. The market shouldn't be moving too crazy or whatnot. But then we get into Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We should expect a little bit more volatility, man. And you already know we on to the next one.
Put bigs on Sports Center.
Let's get it. All right, my next thing we got up here is FX Street. That's my little baby for sentiment analysis, man. We're going to keep this one a little quick. So basically, this for my Forex traders that's out here, which we start with first. First thing we go over with on the show is Forex. We going over the economic data, like what news events we got for the week. Then I'm going to show you the sentiment on a couple of pairs they got on the website. Like, so let's just say if you trade euro versus the US dollar. They telling you the dollar plunges ahead of European Central Bank decision. And they talking about this right here, Europe, like the banks right here. They talking about, they speaking and talking about that too. So Then they saying like the last month they was sideways. The past week they been bearish. The last quarter they been bullish or whatnot. So you look at these as sentiment to see to align with your trade, or if you thinking you want to be So let me show you. So like this ain't a good. Let me look at GU. Let me see a month, week, month, quarter. So that's all I'm saying. So like at the last quarter, so the last 2-3 months, it was buying. To the last month, it was buying. And this past week, it's been selling. So that could mean a correction is coming, or that could be a pullback. So this is a quick way if you don't have the technical analysis, and technical analysis ain't nothing but this, like just knowing the charts, like being able to analyze price from the chart from a price point. That's what technical analysis is. So this is just sentiment. It's just telling you like how price the last month bullish or bearish or whatnot. So if you, so let's just say the last month it been bullish. You may be like, all right, if it been bullish the last month and quarter, this may be the time to start selling, because the last week it just started being bearish. So maybe we be not entering into a downtrend. So you want to check it out and use it like that. Then they tell you like gold bullish breakout leads the new record high. Yeah, it did. And we caught the sell on that. And I think price gonna continue to sell. We're gonna get into that though. But see, you see how sideways the last month bearish, the quarter bullish. Like it's kind of confused or whatnot. So this just give you a quick sentiment on like whatever pair you trade, or if you just want to know about a certain price, like whether it's XRP, Bitcoin rebounds, you know what I mean? So you got the crypto and the forex and your currencies on here, man. It's FX streets, man. You know what time it is.
Put bigs on Sports Center.
We on to the next. All right, we got CNN.com, man. You know, this is one of my favorite. Oh, we in neutral. These folks scared out here, man. Hold on. They scared. Man, we've been in greed. So a month ago, we was neutral, but that's what I'm saying. This past month, like we've been teetering this greed line from left to right. Now we finally in a neutral. So that tell me that like, man, we slowing down now. Folks done took enough money and they ain't being greedy no more. Now they starting to sit back now on the sideline. So we finally in a neutral now. So year ago we was neutral. A month ago we was neutral. So I feel like we right in line about how cycles react anyway. And they talking about cutting the rate soon or whatnot. So I'm anticipating when they get ready to cut the rate, man, they're gonna drive the market into the field, gonna give us another buying opportunity to make money, because they like to make money in windows. I understand, and they like to get little windows to get in position when everybody's scared and they buy. And then when the money go back up, when they buy, they take their profits in the price sale. That's just how it go.
Put bigs on Sports Center.
We on to the next. All right. Yes, sir. That tea heavenly. Shout out, man, them yoga teas, man. That's that immune, stress, lemon, and all that type of good stuff. How you feeling energized and good and vitality. So look, we got Trump family adds 1.3 million of Bitcoin, not Bitcoin, being a crypto wealth in a span of weeks, man. Like, how do you do that?
I've been counting money all day. I came a long way. I've been counting money all day. I came a long way.
In a span of weeks. Check this out. So it just took a few events week for President Donald Trump family to rack up about 1.3 billion from two crypto ventures, each less than a year old. The haul from the crypto firm were Liberty Financial and separate mining operation American Bitcoin Corp shows how projects are already translating into tangible wealth for the first family. The sums rival the values of long-held golf and resort properties that have been synonymous with the Trumps, whose fortune now stands at 7.7 billion. Oh my Lord. Hold on, man.
Get paid, young nigga, get paid. Get paid, young nigga, get paid. Get paid.
Yo, they print that money out here, man. So then they also pop, like, remember this Bloomberg Billionaires Index? Like, these folks, we got somebody else who on the, like, man, this wave just out of the last year showing you how the wealthy done quadruple their money off of the crypto. Like it is not a game. Like Trump, you done seen the markets was in trouble until Trump came out being pro crypto, and now everything just been shooting to the moon, just off to the moon. Like
All them numbers ain't even adding up. You can't fuck with us. Real hot boy, born and raised in the shit, ballin' like my.
Boy, them folks said, hey, y'all numbers ain't adding up, man. Like, the president's two eldest sons, Donald Trump Jr. and Eric Trump, still share the role of executive vice president at the Trump organization, but are increasingly the faces of the family's growing crypto portfolio. Check them out, man. Look at Eric and look at Trump Jr. over there on the right, man. Bitcoin 20, man, they pro crypto, man. Them folks said,
all them numbers ain't even adding up. You can't fuck with us. Real hot boy, born and raised in the shit, ballin' like my.
now hold that thought. I ain't even got to get into the rest of it. I'm going to show you the next episode we finna get into now. You know what I'm saying? Like, just hold that thought.
Put bigs on sports center.
We on to the next, but hold that thought. It's a cold ass moment. I'm going to come back to this. So I'm going to finish on this. All right, here we go again. Michael Saylor. This another one over here on the same type of timing.
All them numbers ain't even adding up. You can't fuck with us. Real hot boy, born and raised in the shit, ballin' like my.
Man, I may name this one the crypto edition today, man, because like these folks acting up. Now look what I just showed you. This is what I want y'all to pay attention to. Where it go? Now, the sum rival the values of long-held golf and resort properties like I was telling you about. You got to invest. Every rich person you know invest their money. So when you be hearing people talking about, oh, I ain't got time to be investing, shut up. You ain't really bought no money. Even people who got money still invest. So the sum rival the values of long-held golf and resort properties that have been synonymous with the Trumps, whose fortune now stands at $7.7 billion, according to the Bloomberg Billionaires Index. So they just got in. A family just racked up about $1.3 billion. They just added on to their wealth from two crypto ventures, man, each less than a year old.
All them numbers ain't even adding up. You can't fuck with us. Real hot boy, born and raised in the shit, ballin' like my.
Now here go the next one. Michael Saylor. Now this dude right here, he part of MicroStrategy. Like he say Strategy co-founder and executive chairman, made his first appearance on Bloomberg Billionaires Index. One more time.
All them numbers ain't even adding up. You can't fuck with us. Real hot boy, born and raised in the shit, ballin' like my.
Look, debuts on Bloomberg Billionaires Index. I just learned about the Billionaire Index. I'm gonna start watching it because I'm gonna be on there one day. Yo, they just showed me a new level to reach for. I'm trying to be on the Billionaire Index, man, at 7.73 net worth. But this is what I want you to pay attention to. Watch when I go back. 7.7 net worth, Bitcoin. Now, when you go over here to Trump and them family, they 7.7 billion. But off of resorts and properties, but also they made 1.3 billion from two crypto ventures. So you tell me what's going on. Crypto, why are you not buying and holding for the long term? One more time.
All them numbers ain't even adding up. You can't fuck with us. Real hot boy, born and raised in the shit, ballin' like my.
You see what's behind that, man? Bitcoin, man. And get what he did. His future grew by $1 billion in 2025 as Bitcoin surged near 111K levels. What I'm getting you to see is that these folks already billionaires, got money, but using the crypto market to jump them to another level.
Rule number one, get the money first. Okay. Rule number two, don't forget to get the money.
Don't forget to get the money. So his fortune grew by $1 billion in 2025 as Bitcoin surged near 100K. 6.7 of selling wealth is tied to MicroStrategy stock per Bloomberg. So guess what? All of them got their own base. Trump and them known for properties, investments, and stuff like that. Golf and resort properties. That's where they got their wealth from. But they just added to their wealth by investing in crypto. Buddy right here, Michael Saylor. 6.72 of his wealth is tied to MicroStrategy, but his fortune grew by $1 billion in 2025 as Bitcoin surged. One more time for y'all in the back that ain't listening.
All them numbers ain't even adding up. You can't fuck with us. Real hot boy, born and raised in the shit, ballin' like my.
Man, y'all know what time it is, man. So, look, he joins the Crypto Billionaire Club. Worth has risen by $1 billion since the start of the $7.3 billion ranking, 491st globally. The wealth surge coincides with strategies continued Bitcoin accumulation strategy and the cryptocurrency price movement through 2025. with 636 Bitcoin as of September 2025. The firm has the most extensive corporate crypto treasury on record. Saylor, who founded strategy previously known as MicroStrategy in 1989, has $650 million in cash and $6.72 billion tied up in company stock, according to Bloomberg's tracking methodology. So if you want to read the rest of this, you can tap in. But the thing is to make you aware of, like, why you not investing in crypto when you got the rich investing in crypto, man. Like, what we talking about?
Put bigs on sports center.
Man, we on to the next, man. Let me go back. All right, so this the earnings we got for the week. So, we got a couple bangers this week. Not too much going on, man. We got Oracle, GameStop. Y'all know GameStop. Y'all got I don't even know the rest of these folks. Rubric, Chewy. I think that's like a pet store. I done heard of them. Kroger, Love Sack. I know them folks. I was thinking about giving me a little Love Sack couch. I know y'all done heard about them. Let me know. Leave something in the comment. You heard of Love Sack. Adobe. We rock with them. I use Adobe to edit with. You know what I'm saying? So this what we got for the week, man. We got a little earning whispers. Some little companies reporting. It ain't too many, but like GameStop, Oracle, Chewy, Kroger, Love Sack, Adobe. Some of these other companies probably a little some of them the ones I know though. Like, you know, we just running down for my stock traders out there and stock investors who own some of these companies, man, just to let you know what's going on, man. We on to the next.
Put bigs on sports center.
All right. Coin market cap. Now look, now we in neutral. Cause I think the last thing we were looking at, we were about like towards a little greed. Yeah. So even the crypto market neutral right now. That's funny. So I feel like from assessing this, that something like is something that happened. I think it's the rate cut they fearing of right now. That's scaring the markets right now already. I see the signs of fear already. It went from, when I'm talking about that rate cut, went from greed to neutral. Like, so that let me know like folks kind of shifted and probably trying to take some of their profits and money out the market because they not sure about what's going on. But let's keep it running though, man. I ain't trying to hold y'all too long. All right, Bitcoin at 2.2 still, Ethereum at 42. We got XRP still holding 2.80. We're expecting them to hit like $4 or something like that. Solana at 23, man. We still holding up. Dogecoin up 2% for the week, the last 7 days. That was up. Cardano back in the top 10, man. Let it go, man. You know what I'm saying?
No confusion. I'ma get you right. We control the traffic.
No confusion. I told y'all about Cardano to watch out for them. They up 29%. 0.29%. But they've been going up. I've been watching them. Chainlink, they making their way back up here. Ada. I like Stellar, XLM, they 35 cents. AVAX, whoop to whoop. Sheba still back in the top 23. Need to get back in the top 20. Like I say, man, we just need Sheba to hit a penny, bro. We're going to be rich forever. All right. And this is coin market cap. And right now we sitting at neutral. And when our market cap is at 3.83 trillion, man, what we doing?
Put bigs on sports center.
All right, we on to the next, man. And then let's see who up for the week, man. It's crypto bubbles, man. You can see as far as like who's up or whatnot. Like, remember one of them episodes we seen Sui, they was up like 30,000% or something. And ain't nobody report that or talk about that or said nothing. So that's what you got your boy here for, man. To run down all this, man. For all my forex, crypto, stock traders out there, man. Wait, we finna get into it. And my investors out there, man, we finna get into it. You see Doge up on the day, 4%. That's major. 7% on the day. Bonk up on the day. Day been crypto crazy a little bit. We got some good runnings going. XLM up. All right, then we look at for the month. OKB up 320%. M up 288%. Crow up. Oh, my Lord. I sold them. Eee. Y'all sold y'all, man. I got tired of holding y'all. KuCoin up 38%. Polygon up 12% for the month. So, man, it's altcoin season on its way. We gonna see, man. You gotta just stay tuned, man. You know, we on to the next.
Put bigs on sports center.
All right, man. And you know we got the dividend portfolio, man. Shout out the dividend guy, man. Let go. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at?
Go ahead, do what you do, make it work for you. Go ahead, do what you do, make it work.
Hey, man, this is the dividend portfolio. Shout out to Dividend Guy, man. You want to learn how to get your portfolio right by making money, investing in the market while you sleep. Make money while you sleep. Ain't that what Trout said? Golden rule to invest and make that money while you sleep, man. There ain't no other way to say that now. And look, I'm going to call out somebody. Nah, should I be petty or not? You wanted some attention, I'm going to give it to you, bro. Somebody left a comment that said something so crazy on one of my pages. As a matter of fact, if you left that comment, I just look at it like, we're going to show it. Man, do I got the time for it? I still got to run down. Do I want to show that? Yeah, I'm going to show it. I'm going to show it. Don't worry about it. I'm going to show it. I'm going to give you the attention you wanted, man. You can learn from this. That's why you can't just believe what anybody be talking about when they be posting and just saying stuff, man. Look at this. So I'm trying to beat that out, man. Last episode, I talked a little bit too much, man. You know what I'm saying? We went down a little bit too much. So look, Mr. Ryan and Sartell, what up? What going on, brother? So I appreciate you leaving a comment, whether it's good, bad, happy, hate. We don't care. We just appreciate the comment and the time. So when you do make a comment like that, we're going to address it and we're going to give you the attention that you want and going to also aim to inform you. So first off, we're going to address this because the reason why I'm addressing it is because you can't mislead people. So Bud is saying dividends are bad. All right. First off, that's an opinion. Like, don't be spreading fear into people because of what you got going on because you had a bad experience with that or whatnot. Dividends are not bad. Dividends are compounding things that add into your investment. Like Apple got dividends. So you saying Apple bad? You saying Amazon bad? Like you saying Costco bad? Like you saying like what is you saying? But I just feel like you trying to troll a little bit. So I'm trying to inform you while you trying to troll. Then the next thing you said is taxable. Every stock you own is taxable, bro. Like, come on. So that let me know which way you coming from. It's taxable, bro. Even if you got a long-term stock, it's taxable, brother. Everything in America is taxed. So if you not paying taxes, that's just something you got going on. And then you said it reduces the share price. That is subjective because if it how Apple been paying the dividend and their price been increasing. So just let that settle for a little second. Like I say that with respect and love. Like, look. Your opinion dividends are bad. It's just an opinion, man. It's just your own thing, guys. So how can be building wealth through dividends, making passive income be bad? Like that's a bad mind for you to have. Then it's taxable. Everything is taxable. That's America. Everything you buy is taxed. You can't avoid that. So you're not really making a point with that and then reduces the share price. Like I just said, that's also a lie. That can make sense in one standpoint, but we're talking about instances that are good stock companies. So good stock companies that have dividends also grow. I can show you a lot of that, but like you're gonna have to tune in for TikTok Live because that's what I'm gonna start doing because I ain't gonna do it on the show, but we're gonna have the lives where we start actually breaking down stocks and getting deep into like what's the good dividends and how, and that's why I'm showing my portfolio, brother. That's another thing. Like when I first started the show, like my dividends was at like $60-$70. It's already it's over 100 right now. So how can that be bad that you seeing my account grow by me having to do nothing? I don't understand how that's bad. So he said it's better to keep the value in the stock. That's the whole point of investing, bro. To keep the gain value, you invest low and sell high. That's investing. So who would wanna? I just don't understand where you coming from. So next comment, leave another comment. We can continue the conversation. I was just gonna respond to you in the comment, but I was like, nah, I'm gonna address you in the next video. So, and I may still respond to the comment because some people may not see this episode or whatnot. So, but I just wanted to address you. Then you said investing one-on-one stuff. Who taught you investing? You need to go back to them and maybe slap them for whoever taught you. Then you may need to tap in to more informed people who got results that invest. He says invest in the one-on-one stuff. How do you not know this? Obviously I do, because I just addressed everything you said and discredited. Like dividends are bad. That's an opinion. How do you not know this? How do I not know that dividends are bad? That's your opinion. I know people who make money and I make money monthly from dividends. So that's subjective. It's taxable. Everything in America is taxable. I don't care if you got options, stocks, dividends, buy and hold, you're going to pay taxes on it. Then you say it reduces the share price. That is subjective. I can show you plenty of dividend companies that have grown in the last 6 months, year, and 5 years. So he's saying it's better to keep the value. That's just your opinion, Ryan. Okay, Ryan. So keep your opinion to yourself sometimes, man, before you start trolling and commenting on stuff. Do your own research. I encourage you to use ChatGPT, because I was going to do you like that and just input your question and show and let ChatGPT just dissect what you saying in a literal way. But I was like, nah, man, I'm gonna respond to you out of love and talk to you and try to inform you a little bit. So, man, make sure you take notes now. That's why I came back to you when I was coming over this, because I didn't forget about you. So, as I said, the dividend portfolio, Ryan, join the Discord and maybe you can learn why dividends are good and why people are making money and increasing their net worth through dividends. That's passive income. Who don't like to make money in their sleep and don't have to work for it? And we still getting value, right? Because we getting growth. We aim for growth and dividends. That's why we investing in this, though. But, man, you know, peace and love to you, man. Shout out. I just wanted to give you your second a spotlight that you look for. But going back to it, man, we sitting at 104 for the monthly, daily 344, and we still at 1%. Like I said, my annual dividend goal is to be a retired dividend investor making $120K a year. So make sure y'all check that out, man. That's the dividend guide, man. We got a free version and the premium version, man. Make sure y'all tune in and check that out, man. Like, it's the biggest thing. And we got an announcement coming on with the dividend guys too, man. I think y'all gonna really enjoy that, man. And we on to the next, man. You know what I'm saying?
Put bigs on Sports Center.
All right. Then now we got the trade log, man. You know what I'm saying? Hold on that. Yo.
No confusion, I'ma get you right. We control the traffic.
There we go. No confusion. I'm going to get you right. We control the traffic. So this week, man, we sitting at 46.4, man. The win rate, 92%, man. Make one time for that, man.
No confusion, I'ma get you right. We control the traffic.
So this week, man, we took another little play on gold, man. We caught a sale. They took us on up, man. We took an $8 move, 35 to 40, 35.42, sold it to 35.34. We made that in like 10 minutes. Like, we seen a flat top at the top of the whoop. And we got a little entry in, and we it actually went for like $30-$40. Like, gold melted, like, when it sold. When it was at 35, it sold all the way down to 35.16, and now it's back up to like 35.80, they were saying. So we caught the pullback on that, and it's back up, but we're gonna get into that now on the breakdown. We're gonna get into that. Just wanted to show you the updated on the trades, man. We sitting at 46.4, so we had 50 trades, man. We sitting at 50, man. That's dope. We had 50. We had 50, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm proud of myself, man. That's why I showed y'all this, man. I had the real deal. The reason why I did this was to show myself and also y'all, like, how you can get better, man. Like, I ain't always been at 92%. This was my first year doing this. Like, November be my 4th year trading. So, like, getting to this point now and seeing the results that I'm at and how I done grew, man, all I could do is give myself a round of applause, man. One time. 92%, man. You know what I'm saying? We calling plays out here, man.
I've been counting money all day, sitting back, calling play.
Calling play, man. And you know we on to the next.
Put bigs on Sports Center.
All right. And it was a 61.8 reversal setup. We had 4 confirmations, 800 pips, which is $8. We only went and draw down $3, and we took it at 9 o'clock, man. You know what I'm saying? We're going to keep you in the loop, man, like I said.
Put bigs on Sports Center.
All right. Now we ready to cook up. Let go.
Ready to cook up. Mixtape pull up. Ready to cook up. Mixtape pull up.
One more time.
Ready to cook up. Mixtape pull up.
Ready to cook up, man. Let's get into it, man. All right. So for this week, we starting out with Bitcoin, man. We making lower highs, even. This is right here, like, it never broke 113. So this is what we sitting at right now. So I still got this same setup playing out, this analysis. I said the price could come down here a little bit more, then probably shoot back up, but it's already been kind of shooting back up to probably fall back and come back up. But the thing is, if we holding and respecting this level, nah, let me see something. That was Tuesday, 3rd. What's today? 7. Hold on. What day is it? Let me see. Calendar. The 2nd. Today's the 7th. That was the 31st. So price was down here last Sunday. So like I thought it was gonna come down a little bit to hit this TP and come up, but it just eventually just came up. So now I feel like it pulled back enough to now possibly continue to go down. Like we probably could see price if it don't anticipate to break that low. We definitely can now finally try to catch this move down here to where I was pointing at right here. So we're looking to take Bitcoin probably back down to like 106 or something. So I'm gonna move this to like this. Cause this already slick played out. For sure, it just didn't do this. So we can take this away. So when we was right there, I'm just gonna leave you the same. Matter of fact, I can delete you. Draw another one, just started over. So we was right here and price came up to there. Alright, that played out. But the thing was, if it was gonna break, we was looking to see if it was gonna break this pivot high or the next pivot high to the left. So it respected this and kind of came down. So I'm gonna set an alert because now honestly I'm looking for sales. But like I say, the whole point of this is to mark up the buys and the sales for the setup. So you always prepare for whatever the market do because we don't control the market, but we can do is be prepared for whatever way it go. So if it come down, this finally will play out to hit this point down here to like 107,000. But if it don't go, so I'm gonna set an alert right here under this wick too, because I know if it fall under here, it's ready to go down here. But if we hold this and it don't break above this or this right here, you can anticipate to take the sales down. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
Ready to cook up, mixtape, put up.
Yo.
I've been counting money all day, sitting back, calling play.
Send back, call and play. All right, we on the US 30, man. Let's get it. All right. I'm going to make this one a little quicker today, man. We still got stuff to do. All right. We sitting at the impulse. We had a correction come down to the 38 level, shot right up the TP. Textbook set up, bounced right out the trend line, kind of shot right back up, came down, retested the trend line to come back up to hit it. And now we right here. So we either can still let this play out. Like if this hole don't break below this wick right here, we get a flat bottom. We could take this up here to the next high back to 4,800 with US 30. That's a superb move. Cause like I told y'all, what's our goal if we trading? The goal should always be 50 to 200 points. But the setups we get gives you about 300, 400, 500 points, but you got to have a trade goal. So make sure you identify like the reason why you got to have a trade goal keeps you from being too greedy, because you got to understand and know like, all right, once it goes up to 50, I can bring my stop loss and profit. Like I'm going to go and secure this win no matter what. And you're going to feel way better about it once you secure that win. And then now you're just trying to see what the market give you versus leaving it open and the market takes you into drawdown. You went into profit over whatever and then they took their money back. Nah, we're not doing that. But the next bias is if we don't get a flat bottom and it don't, and if it come up here, it could retest this and drop, or it could break this and go up to like 46.1. And if you look at that, like right now, price at 45, let's just 4, but we could say 45.5. And then we talking about the finish line up here is at 46.1. That's like 600 points. So that's like triple of what we looking for. Like what we doing, man? Like
Put bigs on sports center.
Like we balling on what we doing over here. Like we catching moves or what? Like that's what it's about. So what I like to preach and tell my folks, man, like look, we look up 5 to 10 pairs, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It start right there with GU for real. I got like 15 pairs I look at, but then for the most part, at the beginning of the week, I'm just running down, marking up and see who got the best setup. Now, once you figure out who got the best looking setups out of the move, now we trying to catch 3 to 5 for the week. And we just do this on a week in, week out basis, man. We're trying to catch 3 to 5 setups, man, 50 to 200 points.
Put bigs on sports center.
Now, I got to say that again.
Put bigs on sports center.
One more time.
Put bigs on sports center.
balling. That's all you need. So the whole goal is that what I'm trading for is freedom. I'm trying to get my time back. So money just is a byproduct of that. Like, I ain't gonna stick too much longer on US 30, but like, I'm just showing you, like, man, I'm gonna give you an example. Like I said, man, let's just say we get in for a buy right here. We get a flat bottom and we decide to get in for a buy at 45.6. We could take 45 up here to the next top right here. What is that? Let's just say 45.8. That's 200 points with a 0.10. No. Yeah, with a 0.10, I think that's 10 bands. 0.01, that's 100. That's $200. A 0.10, that's 2 bands. What we talking about?
Put bigs on sports center.
What we talking about? Like, so I'm an intraday scalper. So I look at for moves that's set up to give me abundance, but I'm only looking to take the lure out of it. Like, I'm an intraday scalper. We getting a guaranteed move out of it. But what me getting better, becoming a better person.
Put bigs on sports center.
I said I'm finna start adding 2 interests. Shout out B, man. My nigga B used to always be on that shit, man. We be trading, but that boy, bing, 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 bing. I ain't gotta be that greedy. Just give me 2, 3. We're gonna compound it. And like I said, we trying to catch 3 to 5 setups a week. What I mean by setups, pairs, like 1 trade on US 30, 1 trade on gold, 1 trade on GJ. Like, that's 3 setups, like different pairs. Not including how many times you, like, if you get multiple entries, we talking about how many setups. Like, this is 1 setup. Bitcoin is another setup. That's another setup. So we talking about catching 3 to 5 setups, 50 to 200 points, man. Let's go.
Put bigs on sports center.
All right. So that the US 30. I told y'all what we looking for on that buy. That's a sweet move, like super sweet, like super sweet. Catch a flat bottom, do what you do. Then if it act like it want to continue selling, I feel like for the most part, this is a level right here. I feel like if it's holding, if it break below, we're gonna come down here to this level right here to the next wick, which is 44.6, which is insane because price is at 45.4. This 44.6, that's like 800 points.
Put bigs on sports center.
Take advantage of it, man. Take advantage. All right, we on to the next, man. All right, we got NAS 100. It's in the uptrend right now, man. As you can see, it went up, came back, retraced to the fire zone, double bottom, shot all the way up. That was a beautiful move, and we was anticipating that. I just missed it. Dang. So yeah, I lost.
You lost one. Let go to get one. Lose some to win some.
I ain't lose, but we missed one. Like, dang, we missed that. I ain't want to miss that. That was like, for example, give you clarity. All right, my people know what type of setup this is when they did this and respected this, and we knew what we was waiting for, like, for the next steps. We got 1, 2, 3 wick exhaustion. After the wick exhaustion come to flat bottom, and like, do you not see it? Bingo. We would have got in at like 23, let's just say 300. And this time frame when it did that was on Tuesday, September the 2nd. Last week, Tuesday. It was at 23,200. By the time it came up to the first TP level at 0, it was at 23.7. That's 400 points.
Put bigs on sports center.
And we call this the somewhere like this would have been considered a 4-hour continuation setup. Yeah, it wasn't fire zone. It was 4-hour continuation, but
put bigs on sports center.
Buckets, easy money. Now we retracing for what? To continue to go back up. So guess what? We like how this looking right here. Yeah, I wish it would retrace a little bit more, but if it don't, we get a flat bottom. We taking it up here to TP1, which is 23.9. You can say 23.950 to be safe. 23.950. Yeah. Then if it, like I said, if it break below this wick 23.4, you could probably anticipate to take price back down here to this wick right here, which is 23.3, 23.4. That's almost 23.5. You could take it about here for a scalp, or you could take it back down to this next level. So this still accurate right here. So we looking at this scenario and this finish line scenario. You know what I'm saying?
Put bigs on sports center.
We on to the next. All right, we got Goldilocks. We caught gold. So don't mind this. This is a smaller time frame, Fibonacci. Don't let that bother you. I ain't finna change it because I understand that I leave my stuff on the chart, like, cause I love to go back and back test and remember. So overall, this is the major structure field. What major structure means is that like this is the biggest time frame, like the major impulse. Like this is the structure we plan on. It's still playing this out. That's why it did all of this just to come up and smack this. And we caught this negative 61.8 set up right here, flat top. Took it down though. Yeah, and then it turned around and came right back up to play out. So yeah, now we back in the same scenario again, from the run the same play again. And what is that? A sell, a pullback, a correction. The 13 EMA down here, but guess what? We get a flat top, man. We taking that boy right back down here somewhere in here. And honestly, aim for $5 to $20, whatever you looking for. You get that flat bottom. We already got 4 confirmations already, man. We know the setup. It's still a repeat of the same setup. We got the 1, 2, 3 wick exhaustion. Then we waiting for that 4-hour flat top, and we also got the 4 confirmation of RSI overbought.
Put bigs on Sports Center.
Don't never say I ain't gay, you know. All right, we on to the next. All right, so let me don't be looking for buys. If it continue to buy, let it buy. Don't look for the buy. Like, don't be trying to chase the money. We chase the correction, man. Once the move already started, the bus left. I just need to say that. Know some people may be trying to just straight, don't jump in the sale yet either. Look for the flat top. If you don't know what a flat top is, go watch some more episodes.
Put bigs on Sports Center.
You will definitely find out what it is. Or book your consultation, man. That's what we do, man. The consultation is fast right now. Look, we looking at silver. Same setup. Major structure. Had all these minor fields play out. They hit here, did all that crazy stuff to eventually come up to this. Then guess what? Wick exhaustion. 1, 2, 3, flat top, sell. That played out, and guess what happened? It bought up some more. So guess what? The fib still drawn on here, but I need to move this from here to here. All right. So we got an impulse down to there, and it pulled back up to the high zone. Now it look like we got a little 4-hour flat top that broke. See, this was a flat top, but it broke. So to help people understand what a flat top is, this is a flat top. This is a flat bottom. Don't say I never did anything for you. But if we get another flat top or break below this wick, we know we could end up taking silver down here to the first TP level, which is 0 at 40.54. Then we got another one at 40.28. And silver, I'm looking for 30 to 50 cent moves. Like, silver pay out way different and better than gold. So like, it pays out more, so you could lose more too. So my goal a little shorter. I'm looking for 30 to 50 cent moves on silver. So like I said, it's the same scenario with this. Not looking for buys, because it can come back up here to retrace this high. I don't care about that. We looking for sales. So normally I'm buyers for both, but I already know you overbought, Jock. Like, you already been buying. You way overbought. So we're anticipating to catch that sale. So we on to the next.
Put bigs on Sports Center.
Yo. All right, we got GJ. They're going to be the last one, man. We out of here, man. You know what I'm saying, man? Like, and another good thing, I'm going to say that after I finish this. So, all right, we pulled. Don't get this confused. We're in the uptrend. So the first thing you always want to do when you're trying to get some technical analysis going on, first thing you want to do is identify the trend. Because the Fibonacci is a trend-based setup. Like, that's what that setup is. It's either uptrending or it's downtrending. That's what Fibonacci works best with. It don't work best when it trades sideways because it's not going to the move. Like, it's whoop, 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 whoop sideways. But you can trade that. That's for my advanced people who know a little bit, who know about support and resistance and a little top bottom and know how to finesse. But like I showed you, finish line is down here for GJ. I'm anticipating. So I'm still looking at that until we break this. If we break this area for 200, a little upside, yeah, we still going to do. Then now we're going to major structure to target this right here, these areas. But if it respect and hold, yes, sir, we coming back to bring you back down here. So if you get a flat top, we ain't got no wick exhaustion yet, though, but we don't respect this area. So be cautious on this. So if you waiting for a flat top, you have a flat top, have a tight stop loss with it. But you know what we aiming to take it down to. It can at least come back down to the previous next week. So that's $199.40 price at like $199. So you get a flat top, you can easily get you like 50 to 100 point move, man. What we doing?
Put bigs on Sports Center.
Yeah, buckets. TP1 right there. TP2 gonna be somewhere right here in this area down here. TP3 gonna be down here because it gotta hit that. If it end up deciding to make this move, you got TP1, TP2, TP3. And we up here at price right now at 199.94, almost 200. And I'm talking about price gonna come down here to 197, man. That's like 300 points, man. What we talking about?
Put these on sports center.
So the reason why I'm showing y'all all this, I got a little deeper in my bag mode, showing y'all more of the technical, more pairs with the technical analysis, because I understand everybody don't trade the same pairs. I know some people watch this that trade futures, some people watch this that trade stocks, some people watch this that trade forex, but at the same time, we all trade the same thing, man. Like Bitcoin is crypto, US 30, NAS 100, S&P 500. These are called indices. These are all like trading the stock market. You can invest in S&P 500, NASDAQ 100, and the US 30, which is like the top 30 resource stocks or minerals, not mineral, but like the top. It's industrial stocks. That's the word I was looking for. So, yeah, man. This is the market rundown with your boy Apollo, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the show, man. Like I said, man, make sure y'all join both the Discords, Top Flight Trading and the Dividend guys, man. You know, they both are free, but we also have a premium for the Dividend guide Discord, whether you want to, if you want to see what we investing in, and also the dividend guide list. That's what we basically buy dividends off of. So we research, fact check, look at all this, and we post a list every month to show you high yield dividend stocks that's actually a good company, help boost your portfolio, help grow that passive income. So, you know what I'm saying? So, hope y'all enjoyed the episode, man. I definitely did, man. It was fun today, man. And on that announcement I was telling y'all about, man, like we planning to go live soon. I said that like the last week or two or whatnot, but we finally got everything together, man, and we just gonna figure out what the time is. So this ain't gonna be the last recorded. We still gonna record it and post it or whatnot, but we're gonna start doing this live though, man. And you know, before I get up out of here, I gotta leave y'all with a little word from my boy Pluto. Let go.
I just keep on shining. I just keep on grinding, stacking up my lumber. I just keep getting money. I put it on my mama, racking up them Benjamins. I'm blast out like Jetson.
Plugged in with them Haitians, I keep it real with my Mexicans, and y'all already know what time it is, man. Let go.
And like that, we gone.
And we out of here, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the show, man. Peace and love, man.
That's what I like.